Yes, Cinder, we have claimed our first ever victory against the Heroes of Light. What? She's still alive? But how? So, this is your old friend that you told us about, Doctor?
Let's save that question for later, Hyena. I actually have something else planned in mind with Dr. Arata. Yes, Emma. After Weiss was captured, I cut off a piece of her hair and put it in this test tube for safe keeping. Sure, Dr. Arata. Go on. That's correct, Virgil. My records will show the world do not limit my genius work. I have suffered so much for the sake of DNA research. Making clones was just the beginning. By combining human, alien, animal, and other species together, my hybrids, my children, shall replace the weak-willed human society and bring my ultimate achievement to life. It's okay, Rotazo. He's not wrong about what he said. Unfortunately. You have? Who is it, Arata? Well, I was one of his assistants along with a woman named Lucrecia. Ah, Professor, it's been years since I last saw you. Great to finally see you again. Yes, Professor. And now that you're here, we can finally get started on the project. Of course, everyone. I'd like for you all to meet one of the best scientists I've ever known in all our worlds. Professor Hojo Crescent. Allow me to answer for you, Nicholas Comrade, if you don't mind. Thank you. So what Nicholas and I are planning is called the Carrion Project, which means we take a sample from a person or creature from their world, like hair or blood, and we make clone hybrids of them. Speaking of which, Nicholas, while you and everyone else were away, I somehow managed to get into contact with an old friend of yours who might help us on the Carrion Project. I wanted to wait until you came back to our base so I can introduce you all to him. He's been waiting very patiently. I'll go send him in right now. Ugh. Here he is, Professor. Nicholas has been waiting to see you since I told him of your arrival.